single element sodium. Okay, so from there, this is going to be, the mass is 46 grams. Okay, and then the relative atomic mass number. When you go on the periodic table, you'll find sodium is written like this. So you always get the number on top. Okay, and this is going to be 23 grams per mole. Okay, and this is just going to be the gram, and then the gram will also cancel out, and then 23 there it's 1, 23 there it's I think 2, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so we have 2 moles. Okay, so the answer is 2. The answer is 2 moles. Okay, so if the mass of sodium is 46 grams, then what makes up the number of particles that would make up a sodium element or sodium atom will be 2 particles or 2 molecules. Okay, yeah, but we'll come and understand that. Okay, so the mass of sodium contains 2 moles. Okay, so now let's go to the last example, which is calculating the number of moles if you were given a compound. And this is going to be, carbon dioxide is a gas at room temperature and pressure. If the mass of carbon dioxide is 132, find the number of moles in the compound of carbon dioxide. Okay, so now on this one, it's just the same thing that we did for sodium, the number of moles for sodium. So what you do is you need to find the total mass for the compound. Okay, so the total mass for the compound, you'll discover that oxygen has got 16, and then carbon has got 12. Now remember, this carbon, the oxygen is 2 there, so we have 2 atoms of oxygen present, so it's 2 times the 16 there, and then for the carbon is just 1 times 12. Okay, so remember that oxygen has 16 and then 8, and then carbon has 12 and then 8. Carbon has 12 then 6. Okay, so when you go on the periodic table, this is how the carbon is written, and this is also how the oxygen is written. So make sure you really understand that the periodic table is the key in the fundamentals of chemistry. Okay, so from there, this is going to give us 32, this is going to give us 12, this is 4, this is 4. So after you do that, you add them now. So this is going to be 32 plus 12, we have 44 grams per mole. Since you are looking just what is the total mass of this one thing of carbon, okay, so 44 grams per mole. And now once we know that carbon has its relative molecular mass, so this number that you have found is 44 grams per mole, meaning that relative molecular mass, meaning the way we found this number was to add the total mass for oxygen, the total mass for carbon, and put them together. Okay, once we did that, then we came up with 44. And then from there, what is the given mass of this carbon dioxide? It is 132. So this 132 was the mass of the carbon, probably, which they collected in the laboratory, and then also maybe they had put it on the scale, and then it gave them 132. So it's different. Okay, so somebody can collect amount of carbon dioxide and then go in the lab and then put it on the scale, and then they'll discover that it has a different mass. Okay, because gases are also affected with external factors. Okay, so therefore, and then we are looking for the number of moles, meaning n, meaning it is just question mark. That's what you're looking for. So therefore, n equals to mass given over Mr. Remember that always when you're solving or finding or calculating the number of moles for the compound, like for instance carbon dioxide, it can be calcium carbonate, it can be water, as long as it contains more than one element, okay? As long as it contains more than one element, make sure you find the total mass of that compound, okay? And then there we use now the Mr., which is just relative molecular mass. Then from there we just say 132 grams, okay, divided by 44 grams per mole. Okay, so the G and G cancels, okay, and then from there what you have is just the you manage the mole, and then this into that, this is going to be, I think, 3 moles, okay. Okay, then that is how you can go about first of all understanding the basics of the mole concept. So ladies and gentlemen, it's bye and I'll see you in the next video. But before I go, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, smash the subscription button so that whenever I post something like this, you'll be the first person to be updated or get the notification that we have, as a Radical Academy, we have posted a new content. Okay, so share to your friends, families and relatives, and also check me out on Facebook, which is Radical Academy. You'll find the page there. The name of the page is Learn with Mike Wada, and then you can also watch on both platforms, YouTube and also Facebook. If you want to get in contact with me, if you want to set up maybe an online learning, maybe you want to learn with me, okay, personal learning, okay, you know what I'm saying? So you can also call the number that is passing down here, 0964 460218. That is a number for WhatsApp. You can get in contact with me if you want to actually any kind of this thing, okay? So you can learn much more here on Radical Academy via YouTube, or also on Facebook, like Learn with Mike Wada. You can learn as much as you want, okay? As long as you stay updated with all my content and all my videos and everything that is educational or academically inclined, okay? So I'll see you in the next video. My name is Mike Wada and this is the Radical Academy. We teach interactive. So I'll see you in the next video of the same, under the same topic.